Hello my friends, I'm Tony from Kesu. Today we are talking about why CNC machining is essential in robotics. Number 1. Precision and accuracy. Robotics demands components that fit perfectly together, with tolerances often in the micrometer range. CNC machining offers the precision required to manufacture the parts consistently, ensuring that each component meets the exact specifications needed for the robot to function correctly. Number 2. Material versatility. CNC machines can work with a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, and composites. This versatility is crucial in robotics, where different components may require different materials for optimal performance, such as lightweight aluminum for body parts or durable steel for gears and joints. Number 3. Complex geometries. Robots often require parts with complex shapes and intricate designs, such as the gears in the robotic arm or the housing for sensors. CNC machining is capable of producing these complex geometries with high precision, which is essential for the smooth operation of the robotic systems. Number 4. Prototyping and production. In the development of new robots, rapid prototyping is essential. CNC machining allows engineers to quickly create prototypes for testing, enabling faster iteration and improvement. Once the design is finalized, CNC machines can seamlessly transition from prototyping to full-scale production, ensuring consistency across all manufactured parts. Number 5. Durability and quality. The robotics industry demands components that are not only precise but also durable. CNC machining provides a high level of control over the manufacturing process, allowing for the production of robust parts that can withstand the stresses and strains of everyday use in the robotic system. At Kesu, we are not just machining parts, we are building the future of robotics. If you need any robotic components that meet the highest standards of precision and durability, contact us today. Let's discuss how we can bring your project to life. Bye-bye.